Hey, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how is the 9.5.6.0 MIUI on Redmi Note 5 Pro based on Android 8.1. This is a leaked one. Officially it will get released soon, I don't know when. So without further any more delay, let's make it happen. So it has some pretty nifty features of the gestures like iPhone X. Yes, the back camera looks like iPhone X and it has gestures of iPhone X. Pretty much a good try there and it did pretty well. By the way guys, I have to inform you about something about the recovery. Well, as you guys already seen me that I have tried Reboot TWRP recovery on Redmi Note 5 Pro, and that encrypts the storage whenever you flash MIUI, or most of the time it does encrypt the storage. But with official TWRP 3.2.1/0 I guess, this problem is not there. So I'll recommend you guys using the official TWRP recovery highly and just flash it normally like I showed you on this video. I'll link a card over here. So that's that. Right now I'm using the MIUI and the TWRP recovery official one, and it doesn't encrypt the storage at all. Huge thanks to Dhananjay Bosale for informing me about this. So let me first reboot to recovery and show you guys that I have official TWRP recovery installed. As you can see, the version is 3.2.1/0 and it did not encrypt my storage. As you can see, it's showing the internal storage space perfectly, and in select storage too, the internal storage shows perfectly. But it was not the case with Reboot recovery. After flashing the MIUI, it was showing 0 in internal storage and was asking for password. But after installing the official TWRP with fast boot method, I did not need to format the storage. It just shows the internal storage perfectly from the first boot. So let me just reboot to system. So let's see what's new on MIUI 9.5.6.0. First of all, let me show you the About section. As you can see, based on Android 8.1 Oreo, MIUI version is 9.5.6.0 stable. As I have already turned on full screen gestures, I'll show you the settings later. Here is how you can get to home by swiping up from the bottom. As you can see, it's quite fast. Let me open a few other apps and show you the same gestures. By pulling from the sides of the bottom of the screen, you can go back. So if you just swipe up and left, it gets you to the recent apps panel. And as you can see again, this iPhone X like gestures are working pretty damn well. And the camera is working fine here too, so no issues there. And for video recording, we still only have full HD option, so no bump up like 4K there. So let me just go back. And here, if you select multiple apps on the home screen, on the top it has uninstall and group option now. So if you tap on uninstall, it will prompt you to uninstall apps of course. And if you tap on group, it will create a new folder of the selected apps. And the UI is pretty smooth and works pretty well. No lags, no stutters that I noticed. And what else? By the way guys, Redmi Note 5 Pro now officially supports Project Treble, so huge thanks to Xiaomi. And you can reply from the notifications directly, as you can see. And in settings, now you have an option called security status. It shows find device status, last security patch it's running on, and Google Play Protect. So pretty much all the security stuff is here of the device. In display settings, we have double tap to wake too, so that's not new though. And here we have the full screen display feature. From here, as you can see, you can choose between buttons or gestures, and on the bottom you have demo for each action of the gestures. And from here you can choose apps to enable or disable to take advantage of the full 18:9 display. I will be honest with you guys, I do hate MIUI, but I am really loving these gestures. Do you like it? Will you use it right away if you have these gesture features? Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, stuff like split screen is working fine here too. Let me just show you. And even gestures while the split screen is going on is working fine too, as you can see. And in settings, additional settings, we have authorization and revocation. I do not know what's the use of these, but anyway. Here we have buttons and gestures, and you can customize the actions like I did with the double press of power button to toggle torch, which is working fine as you can see. Oops. And yeah, the fingerprint scanner feels fast enough, and the face unlock might have been improved a little bit, as I feel it's quite faster now, as you can see. So that wraps up this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the big thumbs up button if you liked this video and subscribe to our channel right here if you loved my work. This has been Tito. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.